Hey everyone, welcome back to. Today I'm sharing 10 quick video ideas to help you grow on YouTube. Let's get started. First up, the channel introduction video. Introduce yourself, explain what your channel is about, and share your goals. Let viewers know what to expect from your content. Next, create niche-specific tutorials. For example, if you're into cooking, make beginner cooking tips. These tutorials provide value and attract viewers interested in your niche. Give a look at how you create your content with a behind-the-scenes video. Share your workspace, equipment, and editing process to connect on a personal level. Celebrate milestones with subscriber milestone videos. Thank your audience and share your excitement for future content. It's a great way to show appreciation. Host Q&A sessions and answer questions from your audience. Encourage viewers to submit their questions through comments or social media. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. Collaboration videos help cross-promote and reach new audiences. Jump on trending topics and challenges in your niche. Use relevant hashtags and keywords to attract more views and stay relevant. Share your own strategies in a How to Grow on YouTube video. Provide actionable advice based on your experience to help others succeed. Keep your viewers informed with channel updates. Share new projects, schedule changes, or upcoming content. Engage with your audience by asking for their feedback. Create viewer challenges for your audience to participate in. Feature their submissions in your videos to build a strong community. There you have it, 10 video ideas to help you grow your YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.